Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to try Adobe Illustrator for free, you're in luck. Today, I will walk you through exactly how to download and install Illustrator on both PC and Mac for free, using a 14-day free trial business plan option Adobe offers. Most users choose the individual plan, which only gives them a week. However, there's a simple way to extend it to 14 days, and I'll show you how. Click the link in the description to download the free trial and follow along with these steps. First, head over to Adobe's official website using the link below. This will take you straight to the Illustrator free trial page. Before you start, make sure your device meets the system requirements for Adobe Illustrator. You'll see an option to start your trial, but instead of selecting the individual plan, go for the business plan. This unlocks a full 14-day trial instead of just 7 days. Once you choose the trial, Adobe will ask you to sign in or create an account. If you don't already have one, it only takes a minute to set up. They'll also ask for a payment method. But relax, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial period ends. I always recommend setting a reminder, just in case, since we are all so busy in our lives. After that, you'll be redirected to download the Adobe Creative Cloud app. This is where you'll install Illustrator. Just open Creative Cloud, find Illustrator in the list, hit Install, and let it do its thing. Once it's finished, you're all set. Open Illustrator, and you'll be ready to start creating stunning vector graphics and designs. And that's it. You now have Adobe Illustrator entirely free for 14 days, giving you plenty of time to explore its powerful features and decide if it's right for you. Just make sure to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. Click the link in the description to download the free trial and follow along with these steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss out on future guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.